दाखवायला घ्यायचं आहे.
इकडनं घे, चेहरा घे ना. What are you doing?
What is going on?
Is it a party or
Okay,
is
now
it a picnic?
tell me. Okay, hey Ritva, just tell me what is this round
Pillow.
and what you make with the pillow
Pillows.
and what is we are doing inside the pillow.
Think I'm playing and eating that one.
Hmm.
Eating and playing.
And what is tonight? What is the tonight?
What are you eating?
TV. No.
Is it kiwi?
Is it a kiwi?
Papre.
Oh, you eat papas, no problem.
No.
It is not kiwi.
You eat papa's cherry, no problem.
What happened?
No.
Hey, you have more there.
You eat that. But
Remove the seeds.
be careful.
She is careful. She is careful.
Remove.
Where is seeds?
Remove. Hey Amol.
Where is the seed, beta?
Here inside.
अरे पण पहिल्याचं गटकलं का?
खाल्लंच नव्हतं तिने.
अरे एक खाल्लं ना अर्ध.
नाही का थोडा तर तिला असंच केलं. ऍक्शन केली तिने फक्त. एवढं कसं केलं आतमध्ये लगेच?
म्हणजे कुठे हा? Ritvi, remove seeds. Eat carefully. Okay, eat it. Eat side from side.
Remove the seed with your mouth. Remove the seed with your mouth and then you remove the seed. Yeah, that is the way. Correct way. Fair, throw it. Very good. Now you learn how to remove the seed with your mouth. Don't let the seed go inside your tummy. Okay? Otherwise, what will happen? The plant will come out.
From the tummy.
Big wawa will happen. You know how plant come out from the seed? And the big wawa will happen.
See?
Yeah, that's why don't allow the seed go inside your tummy. Understand?
Okay, this is your party or this is your picnic?
Picnic.
What are you doing in the picnic?
Eating.
Eating and
Playing.
what playing?
This sheep.
With whom?
Myself.
Yourself. You are playing with yourself. Why? You don't have any friend in this house. Oh, you remove.
Look at me. Okay.
I'm gonna take your hairs back.
Oh,
Again, one more time.
she's putting all cherry on the hair.
Photo पण घे माझी. I'm gonna take your hairs back. One time. Remove.
Where is the seeds?
She finish all.
No.
Give me one.
Hey, take your hairs back first.
Very good. You give me small. Give me the big one.
Okay, eat it carefully.
Here big.
Which one?
Here big.
Okay. I can take two. Can I take two?
Okay. Take
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Manu, take your hairs back.
See? Here there too and here too. How is together?
You give me both small and you keep both big two for you.
But
Give
she's
me-
asking
give me
you,
one big
here
one.
Two and there two. How many together? How
Give
many
me one
together?
big one.
See.
You
Three
give-
and two.
Hey,
How
this is
many
not three.
together?
This is only half. What is this three?
You can eat half.
No.
Why? You eat half.
I need big one because I'm a big man. Give me big. Give me. Alex, give me. What?
Take her face. How it is?
Yummy.
Oh, so you are enjoying your picnic? Are you enjoying your picnic? You brush here. Are you enjoying your picnic? Today, which country, about which country and continent Miss Hadil teach you?
Today,
About which continent she teach you?
Africa.
Huh?
Africa.
Africa. Can you tell me the Africa spelling? Af.
Up,
A-F.
left,
Ri.
right,
R-I.
right,
Ka.
car,
K-A. C-A. C-A.
Mama is K.
A-F.
AM,
M नाही ग. A-F.
AF,
माझा बेड. R-I.
here,
Okay, which necklace you did today?